Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great workout machine. It is a rowing machine by a company called UPREIGN. They sent this over, and it's absolutely great. So first off, assembly is super easy. You can do it by yourself. It's going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes to put it together. Comes with all the parts and pieces that you need. You don't need any extra tools or anything like that. Very, very simple to assemble. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size, this is about 54¼ inches long, and it's about 18 inches wide. So it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, it does have 2 wheels on the back, so it's very easy to move around from room to room. It also will stand vertical, so if you do want to tuck it away in a closet when you're not utilizing it, you can easily do that. It just will stand up and kind of hide in a corner, and then you can pull it out when you're ready to utilize it, which is another nice feature. But as you can see, you have a main rail here that you will be sliding on the seat mechanism. The seat itself is very, very comfortable. It's contoured towards basically your butt, and it has a nice cushion to it. The seat tension can be adjusted. If it's too loose or too tight, you can adjust it, which is another nice feature. You do have 2 pedals on either side. Very comfortable to sit with a back support for your shoes or your ankles. And then they have some Velcro straps on them to make sure your feet stay in place. And then you have, obviously, the handlebar itself. It does have a nice little foam rubber on here. And then you can easily just pull it and then continue on with your workout. So if you've never used a rowing machine, it's a really great full body workout because you are working your legs, you're working your back, you're working your abs, and then you're also working your arms. So you're getting a lot of workout in basically one kind of exercise piece of equipment, which is really nice. And as you can hear, it's very quiet. It's not going to disturb anybody. It doesn't have any loud kind of parts or movements. It's basically using a belt here that you are moving. And then it has 8 different tension modes. So there's a dial on the front of the unit. It's very easy to just turn and adjust those tensions, especially if you're doing the different workout exercises. Maybe you're alternating between really tough and then lightening up a little bit because you're kind of simulating like a rowing, if you know, like you're in a canoe or whatnot. You can do that. It's very easy to adjust it during your workout. Matter of fact, they even have a little spot here in the front where you can place a tablet or a phone in case you have an app or something that you would like to use and watch for various workouts. That is a nice optional thing. But if you don't use that, behind they do have a LCD screen that's going to give you all your different workout stats. That is going to show you the distance you are rowing. It will show you also the amount of time you are spent rowing. You can do 2 different types of counts. You can just do where it'll count every time you basically pull out and go, or you can count down. So let's say you want to do 250 strokes, you can do that. And if you're more motivated to seeing that number drop, that is an option as well. And then you will also be able to count your calories. It'll tell you how many calories you have burned, which is absolutely another great little feature. But overall, it is a great little device. Doesn't take up a lot of room. Very easy to utilize. Great for working out multiple parts of your body. Totally recommended if you're looking for a rowing machine. I think this one is definitely worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tend to respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.